Thermoelectrics, we believe that simple logic can be used to solve complicated problems. So we asked ourselves, why aren't the most common injuries being treated in the most simple ways? Now imagine you're doing your favorite activity and you twist your ankle, causing it to swell. Now to treat this, you'd probably use ice. But ice is messy, inconvenient, and can cause damage to your skin if left on for just 20 minutes. Heat and cold used in cycles are beneficial, but no product on the market can do both. This means that you have to have multiple devices and monitor your own therapy. We're using an orthotic brace with the Peltier effect to circulate heat and cold over the injured area. This means no need for multiple devices.
A microcontroller will switch between the two thermoelectric coolers to stimulate recovery, while alternating between a cold and a hot cycle. The cold cycle will reduce swelling by reducing the blood flow in the afflicted area. The hot cycle will encourage blood flow to that area after reducing swelling to encourage and accelerate healing. There is no consensus on how long we should keep our hot and cold cycles, but there is consensus that ice should not be applied directly to the skin for more than 20 minutes at a time.
A sensor will monitor blood flow and switch temperatures at optimal times. No need to monitor your own therapy.
Our temperature transfer system built into the inside of the brace will help evenly distribute the temperature over the entire area of the brace. We will implement our temperature transfer system by lining the insides of our orthotic brace with a thermal pad or a thermally conductive fabric.
So the heat sink is still in the design phases, but it will likely feature a high surface area of a great thermal conductor. So we're thinking maybe woven aluminum over top of the thermoelectric cooler, and then a fan to drive the conductive heat transfer.
We look to create a universal brace that can be used on multiple joints throughout the body.
To find FDA requirements, we tried to relate it to similar products such as heating pads. And in that case, it would probably be a Class 1 medical device. These can be marketed and sold without FDA approval, but we would need to register it with the FDA. Since it's an electronic device, we would need a UL certification to sell in America, and then other similar certifications for other countries, such as the CE in Canada.
Manufacturing will be through a contract manufacturer who will be hired for around $40 an hour, and we'll probably be able to make around 4 braces per hour. However, the most expensive parts of this prototype would come from the thermoelectric coolers, the LCD screen, and the temperature sensors. So that would make the total bill to be around $75 approximately. However, this may be reduced as we keep scaling over a certain period of time. So to compete in the market but still have some profit margins, our expected cost of sale is roughly $150.
Our total market consists of 3 segments. The first is athletes, and this is a large portion because it consists of 8 million high school and 460,000 college athletes, 2% of which get injured every year. Our second portion is arthritis and elderly, which 54 million people have arthritis, and that number is only increasing. Our third segment is those with musculoskeletal or orthopedic injuries, which affect almost a quarter of the people in the United States. So our main strategy to get to market is to avoid the red tape and high costs of certifications early, and then we would try and branch into the arthritis and medical devices market once we have momentum and cash flow from the athletic departments and performing arts. And then originally, we'll probably be marketing mainly in North Carolina. Still, this consists of 250,000 high school and 14,000 college athletes. And that number will only grow as we obtain our certifications and expand our market past North Carolina.
So the first year, there will be around 50 units to be tested, and we'll make sure that there's perfect product testing. Then in the second year, we will reach out to athletic departments and performing arts and schools, etc. via Calvis Connections. And we'll also go to trade shows, etc. And then over there, we're going to show them the benefits. In addition, this is always available on Amazon.
Our objective is to reduce recovery times so you can get back to doing the things that you love. Thermoelectrix, building simple solutions to the most common injuries.